In this video, we are going to learn how to form matrices, how to do performance on equal matrices, and addition and subtraction of matrices. This is very easy. Suppose the sum is given that x plus 3y, and this is y, and 7 minus x, this is 4. This equals to is given 4 minus 1, 0, 4. So when this is equals to given, that these two matrices are equal matrices. So for equal matrices concept, can we write that this element is equals to this element? As we know, the corresponding elements are equal. This element is equals to this element. Next one, this element is equals to this element, and the remaining 4 is equals to 4, right? So just check. We are going to take two easy part. First, I am going to take 7 minus x equals to 0. So from that, x will be equals to 7. And from this 2, can we write y equals to minus 1? I could easily take x plus 3y equals to 4. But that equation contains two variables, so I need to solve it once again. So preferably try to choose the easy equation. Similarly, one more sum if I will do. Suppose it is given that x plus 2y, this is x plus 2y, and this is 3y, and this is 4x, this is 2, equals to 0, minus 3, 8, 2. So write down as you understand from the previous sum. Clearly I can say 4x equals to 8, so x will be 2, and 3y equals to minus 3, from there y is equals to minus 1. So try to take the easy equation to solve it. Now addition and subtraction matrices, this is very easy. We can perform addition or subtraction on matrices when the matrices are comparable matrices. Remember the definition of comparable matrices? Comparable matrices where we have same number of row and column. Addition and subtraction can be performed on comparable matrices. Please be very careful. So how to do that? Again, the corresponding elements we have to add or subtract based on whatever is given. So let's do couple of sums. First sum, if I'll give the scalar multiplication also involved in this sum. So sum is 2 into x z y t plus 3 into 1 minus 1 0 2 is equals to 3 into 3, 5, 4, 6. So what is scalar multiplication? For scalar multiplication, all these elements we have to multiply by this 2. Okay. So what I have to do? Just check. I will write it 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t plus again all the elements to be multiplied by 3. It will be 3 minus 3, 0, 6. Is equals to right hand side, it will be 9, 15, 12 and 18, right? As I said that for matrix addition we can perform addition on these two, right? So if I'll perform this addition on these two, can I write that 2x plus 3? If I'll perform addition on these two, what I will write? I will write 2z minus 3. These two if I will take 2y plus 0, so it will be 2y only, and the last one it will be 2t plus 6, so 2t plus 6, so this will be equals to 9, 15, 12, 18. As these two matrices are equal matrices, so I can now compare the corresponding elements. So can we write 2x plus 3 equals to 9, from there 2x equals to 6, hence x equals to 3. Over these two, can we write 2z minus 3 equals to 15. So 2z equals to 18. So z equals to 9. From these two, can we write that 2y equals to 12. So my y will be equals to 6. And the last one, my 2t plus 6 equals to 18. So 2t equals to 12. So t equals to 6. Right? So this is all about matrix addition and scalar multiplication. Now let's do one different types of sums. Suppose it is given that 2x minus y, x and y are matrices. is given already. 2x minus y is 6 minus 6 0. This will be minus 4 2 and 1. And another one is given x plus 2y. X plus 2y is given 3 2 5. This is 1. 3 to 5 minus 2 1 minus 7. How to find the value of x and y? That's very easy. What you are going to do, I am going to solve it like simultaneous linear equations. So what I am going to do, I am going to multiply these matrices by 2, or better if I multiply these matrices by 2. If I multiply these matrices by 2, it will be just check 4x minus 2y equals to, just check as I multiply by 2, each element to be multiplied, it will be 12 minus 12 0 minus 8 4 and 2, right? So now if I will add this to equation, if I will add this to equation, just check 2y will be cancelled out, so 4x plus x, that will be 5x, right? So 5x equals to, just add the corresponding element, 3 plus 12, that is 15, 2 minus 12, that is minus 10, 5 plus 0 equals to 5, minus 2 minus 8, that is minus 10, 1 plus 4 equals to 5, minus 7 minus 2, that is minus 5. So this is the 5x. So from there, dividing all the elements by 5, like we used to do scalar multiplication, scalar division is also allowed. So can we write x equals to, if I divide all the elements by 5, 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 1 minus 1, right? Can we write this? So this is the element of x. So now if I will put the element of x in this equation, if I choose this equation, the simple one, so in this equation, can we write that 2y equals to 3 2 5 minus 2 1 minus 7 minus x. If x is coming this side, it will be minus x, so minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 1 minus 1, right? So if I will perform the correct operation, just check. Be very careful before doing this operation, because outside we have minus. So be very careful. The first element will be 3 minus 3, 0. Second element 2 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, 4. 5 minus 1, that is also equals to 4. Minus 2 minus of minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, that is also 0. Minus 7 minus of minus 1, that is minus 7 plus 1, that is minus 6. So this is my 2y. So from simplification, can we write my y will be 0, 2, 2, 0, 0 and minus 3. So if you want to check the value, you can put it in one equation and you can check it. Is it fine? So suppose that's all for right now. Please practice. This is very easy. One more sum, if I how to form matrices, that I told you that I will show you in this thing. Again, last video also I have shown you this thing. Aij equals to 2i plus j, and we have to form a 2 by 1 matrices. 2 by 1 means 2 rows and 1 column. So this is my first row, first column, and this is my second row, 1 column. This is a simple one I am giving you. Okay. So Aij 2i plus j. Now just put the value. The first one will be 2 into 1 plus 1, and second one will be 2 into 2 plus 1. So it will be 2 plus 1, 3, and this will be 5. That will be the easier one to form the matrices. Just check the value Aij. This is by I, this is by j. So this is by I, this is by j. That's all for the right now. Please, if you have any problem, please write in the comment box. Thank you.